Google Pixel Buds Pro 2, smart, sleek, and seriously capable. Your video on the Google Pixel Buds Pro 2 is a smooth blend of tech insight and real-world usability, giving viewers a clear picture of what these earbuds offer beyond the spec sheet. From the first few seconds, it's obvious you aim for a balance of style, substance, and honesty, and it works. Design and comfort. White medium star, white medium star, white medium star, white medium star, white medium star. You capture the Pixel Buds Pro 2's refined design beautifully. The matte finish, subtle Google G logo, and low-profile fit are shown in crisp detail, letting viewers see how they sit comfortably in the ear. Your commentary on comfort over long listening sessions, along with the inclusion of multiple ear tip sizes, makes the review useful for both casual listeners and daily commuters. Sound quality. White medium star, white medium star, white medium star, white medium star, white medium star. This section is a highlight of your video. You explain how the Pixel Buds Pro 2 deliver balanced, rich audio with punchy bass that doesn't overpower the mids or highs. Your breakdown of performance across music genres, hip-hop, acoustic, classical, and podcasts, give the audience a clear sense of versatility. The mention of custom EQ in the Pixel Buds app is a great touch, showing how users can fine-tune their sound. Active noise cancellation and transparency mode. White medium star, white medium star, white medium star, white medium star 1/2. You go beyond the marketing claims by testing ANC in different environments, public transit, busy streets, and quiet offices. Your feedback is candid. While ANC is impressively effective for its size, it's not quite at the level of the very top-tier competitors. Transparency mode, however, is praised for its natural, open feel, making conversations and awareness effortless. Smart features and Google integration. White medium star, white medium star, white medium star, white medium star, white medium star. One of your strongest points is explaining the deep integration with the Google ecosystem, hands-free, Hey Google voice commands, real-time translation, and seamless switching between devices. You also note that they work well with non-Google devices via standard Bluetooth, which broadens their appeal. Battery life and charging. White medium star, white medium star, white medium star, white medium star. You cover the official 11 hours of listening time, ANC off, and 7 hours, ANC on, clearly, adding your own real-world results. The case's wireless charging and USB-C support are mentioned as convenient touches. A brief charging speed test helps viewers understand what to expect on the go. Call quality and mic performance. White medium star, white medium star, white medium star, white medium star. Your mic tests in quiet and noisy areas are particularly helpful, revealing solid clarity for calls and video chats. Including a quick voice sample in the video helps potential buyers hear it for themselves. Final verdict. White medium star, white medium star, white medium star, white medium star, white medium star. Your wrap-up nails it. The Google Pixel Buds Pro 2 aren't just an upgrade. They're a well-rounded, feature-rich pair of wireless earbuds that balance sound quality, smart features, and comfort. While the ANC isn't unmatched, everything else, from integration to audio performance, makes them a top choice, especially for Android users. Overall rating, 4.8/5. Your review hits all the right notes. Clear visuals, in-depth testing, honest pros and cons, and approachable explanations. Whether someone's deep in the Google ecosystem or just looking for high-quality wireless earbuds with smart extras, your video is a must-watch before buying.